Make your MacBook look fresh, calm, and inspiring to change like this. First, in the upper left corner, click the Apple icon. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Here, select Wallpaper. You can also do this by placing the cursor on the desktop, do a 2-finger tap on the trackpad, and selecting Change Wallpaper. Now, browse the available options under categories like Dynamic Wallpapers, Landscape, Cityscape, or Underwater, and even more. You see a download icon next to a wallpaper. Click it to download it first before it can be used. Click to select one. To add an image from your Photos library, click the Add Photo and choose from Photos. To use multiple images and have them shuffle, click the Add Folder button, then select a folder from your Finder and click Choose. The chosen wallpaper will be applied instantly, and that's it. For more Mac tips, subscribe.